In this video, we are going to talk about the big picture. Why do we choose Python? We choose Python basically because it has a huge ecosystem, which means that there are many libraries available which will make life easier because a lot of the hard stuff has already been implemented in these libraries. So we just have to use them to build nice things. Think of libraries like Lego blocks, right? So you put the Lego blocks together and you get something nice. Putting the blocks together has its own difficulties, of course, but it's still much easier than if you had to build each piece yourself. Let's say if you had to 3D print it yourself. There's also a very big community support, so if something goes wrong with the library or we're not sure how to get it working, we can ask or we can look what other people have asked, and it's very likely that whatever question we have already has an answer. And if it doesn't, if we're very unlucky, asking it ourselves will likely give us an answer. Another important thing is that it's not looking like Python is going anywhere anytime soon. It's here to stay, it's under constant development, new versions are released every year or so. That's also a good thing, and it indicates that Python is a healthy programming language that is here to stay. Also, there is a great machine learning and data science focus in Python. A lot of scientists and universities use it for their research, and a lot of companies use it for implementing their machine learning pipelines as well. Because of this, there is also a lot of support from big players. So a lot of library developers are from Google, Facebook, and other such companies like maybe Microsoft, and also from important universities like MIT, and Caltech and Stanford and so on. And last but not least, Python is very easy to use. It hides things that we don't care about, like some memory management and a few other things that other programming languages need us to specify in more detail. In Python, we don't need to do that. And because of this, it's easy to pick up even if you don't have programming experience, which is why you're very welcome to follow along if you have never programmed before.